Y'all, I have an update about the sharp quartz alarm clock. So look what happened. Look what just happened. The hour hand fell off. I mean, the second hand fell off. Well, let's see if this thing, I'm finna see if it works. The alarm function. Okay. Am I turning it on?
Just out here trying to find it right now. So we were able to find a minivan. That's when you notice. Okay. I think it's this black one right here. Yeah, here it is. J5. Alright, so we found a minivan. We're in the minivan.
So this thing needs some help.
Now we gotta find a hotel.
I don't know if it's gonna run or not.
It's only like 1 o'clock. And so none of the hotels we can't like check into a hotel yet.
The hour hand looks like it needs to be pushed back.
So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna drive around Long Beach and see what they have around here. So yeah, I don't know what we're doing.
And that's just happening. So I guess it's just gonna be like this forever. Sorry to say. Yeah, you can see. Maybe I need to throw this out or something.
I actually used to live here when I was like 19 and 20. Long time ago.
Because look.
In 2001, I lived for like 2 years. I sold the notice.
I'm trying to get some way to get it back on.
Talking about God and Jesus and all that. It was the longest 2 years of my life, guys. Didn't have any fun out here. Wasn't allowed to go on the beach. Wasn't allowed to go to Disneyland. Wasn't allowed to go to Knott's Berry Farm. Yeah,
oh, I can actually hear it ticking.
So yeah,
cool.
Lived here for a couple of years, guys. I remember the whole Los Angeles neighborhood, Dynasty, Movie, and Shaq.
It's making me move the hour.
So I just was stuck in Long Beach for a couple of days.
Well, I hope I can get this thing to work. And here is the back look at the movement. Sorry to say, guys. But I hope that concludes for today's video. See y'all later.